What we want to do now is we want to create a blog overview page, and this blog overview page should show a list of all our published blog posts on our website. Now leave the blog single template open for now and go back to the WordPress dashboard, click on Pages and create a new page, add new page and call it the blog overview page. Now click Save Draft and again click on Edit with Elementor. Now you can see that the page loads with just the navigation area and the footer as we wanted, and we want to get rid of the page title here. So down on the left you click on the settings symbol and activate hide title. Good. So we want also to make a similar look for the blog overview page that resonates well with the blog single page. So we go back to this browser tab and right click on the section on blog single hero section, click on copy and change the browser tab, click here and paste. Good. So we have added the hero section. You click here on navigator and you can see there's this column and you have this post title. Select here the post title in navigation, but there is no post title here. So let's remove this and change it to a classic heading. Now remove the post title with delete, and we also do not need the meta information about the page. That can also be deleted. Good. Right here we will add blog overview or the Acme blog. Now we want to add the blog post widget here. Instead of building the section all from scratch, again we will switch back to the blog single template and select the blog single content section, click on copy, go back here and again click paste. Now what we want to do is we want to get rid of all the widgets in here because we're building an overview page. Click on the navigation and post content column, open it and remove the stuff we do not need. And yeah, the post navigation is not needed and we do not need the heading, but leave the posts because that is actually what we want. We want to have a list of our posts. Now, as you can see, it's just 2 posts and for now we do not want to have this magazine layout. What you can now do, you select the posts widget. You could play around with the columns, make it 3 columns, 1 column and so on. But we want to make it 1 column because we are just starting out with blogging and we don't need this magazine look and feel. The posts widget is very powerful. You can take a look at the columns section and play around with the posts per page. We already have 3 posts. As you can see now, 3 posts are presented. Let's say we want to maximum have 10 posts. And after that, we will have a pagination. This means users can switch between the pages. Now, this is only needed when you have a lot of blog posts online, but just to let you know where you can add this pagination later on. You can have numbers or none. For now it's none. Good, this looks quite well, but one thing I would to change is to left align our content. So you click on the layout option. You have a lot of stuff. You could like remove the author info or the date and so on, but that is okay. We leave it this for now. And we want to left align the headline and the excerpt. But if you do not want to have anything like the excerpt here, you could also remove it. So you can remove the title or remove the excerpt. You can play around with the settings. As said, the posts widget is very powerful in Elementor. Now switch to the styling tab and let's change the alignment. You can see here, you could right align, left align. We want to keep it left align, which is quite okay. You can also take a look at a few other of the settings. Of course, you can see that there's a hover effect. and you could add a box shadow if you want to. There is nothing I want to do right now, and so on. But yeah, as a first result, I'm happy with it. So let's click on publish and let's have a look. So we have the Acme blog and we have our posts. I can click on a post and nice, I can see the post. So we created a blog single template and a blog overview page. Now you're wondering, this is quite nice, but how can people find my blog? This is where we need to edit the navigation. So in the last step, to finish the creation of our blog, we go again to our WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Menus, and you can see here it suggests adding the blog overview page to our menu. You click the blog overview page checkbox, click to add menu, and click Save Menu. Now do a quick reload of our page. Voila, you have the blog overview page. I do not like that there's also this overview page written, so I go back to the appearance and menu section, click the arrow down, and now you can edit the text. It should just be called short and sweet blog. Click Save Menu, and once again take a look at the page. If you click blog, it works quite nice. I click the icon, I come back home. Cool. So in this chapter, you learned how to create a blog single template based on an existing template from Elementor, and you quickly applied the style. And we used some of the elements from the blog single template to create our blog overview page. Now, during this lesson, you already saw a few times the pop-up coming up. In the next chapter, we will take a look on how we will create a pop-up that shows up if someone is leaving our blog.